Um, Hello guys. I'm trying to replace the bushings on the rubbers. These rubbers on a Nissan Hardbody 2005 4x2. I've already replaced these sway bushings, but I somehow can get this out. I can get this one out and these two rubbers out. However, I'm failing to get these two out. I'm not sure if this must go out first. Let me just show you the side that I've done this, but I'm hoping someone can put up a video for me and on how to remove these rubbers. Okay, let me just go this side and then you can see. So I've removed this. These two from here. So now I'm failing to get this out. I'm not sure how to do this. I tried to look over, see who might have posted something like this, but I can't get it. Somebody please post a video if you know how to, or just point me to one. I'll appreciate that. Maybe this must come out. It looks like this must come out, but it's so hard. It might have been rusted or whatever. I'm not sure, but I just want to make sure I know what I'm doing. Thank you very much guys. I'm hoping to get some replies from you. Thank you.